testify for you. I do that 3, 4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it.
Y'all stay tuned for the vlog. While I turn this bitch up, y'all. I am so unorganized. Okay, so my photo shoot is so it's current. Hello?
Hang on.
Your nails?
Ah! I need those. Where those at? So as y'all see, I just left my nails at the house. But y'all, so it's currently 1:13. My makeup appointment is at 2. It's 20 minutes away. My photo shoot is at 4 and my dinner is at 7. Yeah, I'm gonna be rushing all day. Why did I do this to myself? I don't know. But I also am about to I have to stop at the store and try and get a cake for my birthday because I want a cake. Not for my birthday, for my photo shoot. All the cakes, I need a white cake. Bro, they all got sprinkles. Unless I get like that. Okay, y'all, so I got a cake. I told her, so I don't know if I showed y'all, but it was a plain white one and it had flowers on it. So I told her to take the flowers off, and then I wrote Pisces season on it. I made it right Pisces season on it. And pink icing. I haven't looked at it. I hope her handwriting was cute, because if it's not, I'm gonna be mad. And then I also bought some pink candles. So yeah, y'all, I'm rushing. I'm over here speed walking like a mug. Okay, this is what it looked like. I mean, this will do. Whatever. It's cool. And I bought some candles. I bought my camera dirty. My bad, y'all. I'm rushing. Okay, I bought these long pink ones. And then I also bought these short ones in case I want to act like I'm smoking with the candles. I got the small ones. But yeah, that's what we got. We're rushing. We need to go. Oh, I gotta go. It's 1:37, y'all. I gotta go. Hey y'all, so I just pulled up to my makeup appointment. I'm waiting for her to tell me I can come in. I'm trying to comb out some of my curls a little bit because I'm tired of them being all clumped together. But yeah, we're here.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything.
Okay, y'all, my camera had died, but here's the makeup. I have to go get lashes because she only had like super thick full lashes and I didn't want that, so I gotta go get lashes to put on. But this is the look. Yeah, so I need to hurry up because I'm on a whole different side of town than my photo shoot. So I have pulled up to, damn, just smacked the fuck out of my camera. Okay, so I have pulled up to my shoot. Now I gotta get all this shit out of my car. I'm hungry, y'all. I'm starving myself until my dinner. Yeah, I got exclusive access. Watch this. Yeah, I heard that a lot. Why the? Why the handle locks? Derek! Hi! Oh, I missed you.
And you saw what we did. That's what I'm gonna record.
Exactly.
Don't get me on that fucking camera. I
She
said.
fucked up your whole vlog.
Literally, Derek, when she claimed my DSL, she doing Ehren.
Like, wow, okay.
Crazy.
I gotta go get my key.
Because you be coming in, when you come into town, you put us all to work. I'm sick. Every time.
It's my birthday. They love me.
Unfortunately.
Okay, I'll be back. I gotta get my cake. Yeah. Time to get dressed. Oh, baby. You wanna make my soul. Okay, y'all. This is the look. I almost like it without lashes. I'm not gonna lie. I almost do like it without lashes, but I think I'm gonna add lashes. But it's just a black bodysuit with some stockings. And then I got gloves in the other room. But I think we're eating the girls up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna think we're eating the girls up. And she's so mean. That's that Sagittarius coming out.
You gonna drive all the way home?
It's something about my home.
Oh,
That's the only reason why I was like,
Get me off that fucking camera.
yeah.
Go on you.
I'll see if that one work. Do you want spotlight or you want regular light?
Whatever you want to do.
Spotlight. I didn't know if you wanted to be a basic bitch or not.
Ooh.
I'm just bored. Mine was spotlight, nigga. So why would I really call you a basic bitch? Mine was spotlight too.
And
at her
regular
face.
light, is it basic?
No, it's not.
Spotlight is becoming the new basic.
Okay, well then.
Spotlight, the cakes that say that girl.
Bitch, I love my cake.
Erica said, I'm not in that shit.
Somebody calling you. Who's calling you? Your mama. Who's that?
Debt collectors.
This nigga.
Not answering.
I look, girl. Don't ever panic. Do you see how crazy that was? One more time. That's nuts.
Is it still on the light?
It's okay, he had a long little morning.
Your people gonna be in the comments like, who's that girl looking crazy?
Yeah, I promise you she's a bad bitch.
I am.
It's little people's fingerprints down here. I look the fuck good. Oh my god, I look so good. Hold on. Let's look at it. Hold on. Like, oh. JPEG, say hi.
I thought she was about to twerk.
I need to clean off my nose ring, but I think I'm just gonna come back to y'all when we actually shooting. Ugh, don't fall now.
Close your legs. Be a lady.
Y'all know I'm a real nigga any other time.
Oh, okay.
Y'all, we can move the drawing.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Okay, so right now we are on the way to dinner. We have left our shoot. We're on the way to dinner now. I just got on this black dress. You'll see once I get there. But I'm kind of running late. It's 6:49. GPS says I'll be there at 7:03. Dinner is at 7. But 2 of my guests is still at the studio doing their makeup, and one of them gotta stop and get my flowers. We probably won't get seated till like at least 7:30, honestly. And I don't even know who all is coming anymore because, yeah, some people have dropped off like flies, and I just don't know. Yeah, I'm here. I gotta put my heels on. Can y'all drive in heels? Because I can't. I can barely even walk in heels. My dinner was supposed to have 25 people. I think now it's gonna be 16, including me. You know? If that was the case, I could have went to a more fancier place. I picked this place because I was trying to accommodate all the people. Now it ain't all the people. But what the ever. Let's go inside. You look cute. Hey, y'all say hi to my vlog. Hey vlog. Period. Hey vlog. Period. Hey vlog. Y'all look at my twin. Where's Tom at?
He on the way. He bringing his guys up.
He bringing Tinsley? Yeah. I'm dead. Oh, I'm supposed to be checking people's locations. Y'all look cute with your dumb makeup. Why is Nate still at home? And she lived 20 minutes away. Don't. Yeah. Oh, can I get water? Cause why is she at home? Nay. She supposed to be. She at home and she lived 20 minutes away. This is why I shouldn't have people location. She better do the dash about me.
See, I ain't telling you to have her on my weekend. Happy birthday, gorgeous.
Thank you.
Shit, shot on Far East Side. You blind?
Yeah, you blocked. Tinsley. Wait, put Tinsley in it. Tinsley, say hi. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she's.
Yo, why didn't they just give me a birthday gift? Bye. I shall cry.
I shall cry.
Y'all, and the crazy thing is when I walked in the house, I seen the bag, but I'm thinking it's hers because it's her birthday too. I seen it. Y'all, love. Y'all, stop. She got me a flower too. Like, what? And she said it's stuff from my trip, so let's see what she got me. Okay, we got some Tylenol because you know them headaches, and it's the extra strength, okay? Face mask, okay. Okay, bar soap, sensitive skin, Dove. If you don't use Dove, what are you doing? Yeah.
That's so perfect.
She got me some mouth, and everything's travel size, y'all. She got me some mouthwash. Little method.
Goodbye.
Little method body wash. It's not even almost done, y'all. Some makeup wipes, yeah. Got a little loofah, and it's pink, and she knew. Got some toothpaste. Got some Q-tips, keep them ears clean.
Yeah.
Got, oh, she got me some nails. Yeah. Are these yours? Oh.
I forgot.
It's okay, it's okay. The toothbrushes. Oh, y'all, thank you. Thank you.
Well,
I'm so, thank you. Oh my gosh, I love her.
Love you.
She's such a sweet friend. Everybody needs an A.
Everybody needs an A.
Everybody needs an A, for real. Because that was so sweet.
It's gonna be big on 20 black Suburbans, we pull up like Sunday service. I just wanna one-on-one, don't know why she so nervous. Fuck what these hoes said, cause my bitch say I'm perfect.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes.
You how you turn up on your motherfucking birthday, okay?
That's
Bow, 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 bow. That's that. Come on, we gotta go, baby. Let me make sure.
Follow behind the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and I'm no walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.